Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the only high impact news is at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So please trade at this time cautiously since this could be a high spread time. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and the price was having equal lows, and the price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below it. This gave us a bearish bias since the price broke the strong low. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. So the price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward side but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This gave us a bullish push into the market. So let's move to the weeklies now. So we can see the price retraced back after taking all these equal lows right here and reacted from this unmitigated candle, which was responsible for this bearish move. So the price moved into the downward side from this mitigation. So currently we can see equal lows right here and the price swept the previous week's high. So let's move to the dailies now. So into the dailies, we can clearly see that the price was reluctant to go into the upside direction and it could be seen by the high being swept by the market. So there is nothing more to see. Rather, we are having a POI which is unmitigated by the market. So most likely the price can return to this POI right here. So for our detailed picture, let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart and we can see that this was the area which took the liquidity and broke the high. This high right here, making this a strong zone. But the price directly breached into this strong zone, making this a flip zone and moved into the downward side. So after moving into the upside direction, the price reacted from this flip zone right here and moved into the downward direction. So for the order flow into this smaller time frame, let's move to the 30 minutes now. So this is the 30-minute chart and we can see that this was the strong zone or the strong low for the market since it took the liquidity and moved into the upside direction and the price breached it, giving us a bearish bias. So currently what are we doing? So most likely we are having unmitigated BPR right here and we are having unmitigated POI right at this zone. So if the price is going to move into this upside direction, I'll be anticipating the price to either react from this BPR right here or I'll be waiting for the price to switch into the bearish phase into this zone right here. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So this is the 15-minute chart and this is the strong low for current market scenario. So if the price moves into the upside direction, I'll be anticipating the Asia high to be taken by the market and then I'll be waiting for the price to react from this BPR right here and then move into the downward side. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.